Hello everyone, welcome to Victor Shamaki, and today we'll look at how to delete media cache on Premiere Pro. Now I have a few questions I feel like we should be going in the minds of many. Like, is it safe to delete media cache? Well, basically, over time as you keep working, it keeps accumulating several of your temporarily stored files in megabytes and even gigabytes. So, it's actually non-essential and it won't remove your personal files or settings. So, yes, it is essential you delete them. So, basically, what is this media cache itself? Media cache is basically it stores temporary files for basic improved performance. By then it cached the versions of your videos and audio file, allowing for faster playbacks and editings and all of that. So we'll just look at how, let's say, both manage and delete. So we'll just use the language of whether we are managing them or we are removing them. Well, you go to, for Windows system, you go to edit and then you go to preferences, and then from preferences you go down to, you see media caches. So while it opens up, you see it opens up like this. Now you see this is the location to which your media cache will be stored. It's going to be stored in the default folder, Roman, Adobe, and Common. Now here is saying save and peg whatever for media file, and then here is saying remove them. So if you click on this delete, yes, it's going to delete all the unused ones. I see it's deleting, right? So all the temporary files that store over time, I have not really cleaned this for a long time, so I think it has a lot of it that is removing. So it has deleted, and then if you click on it again, you see we have this delete all media cache file. This one will require restart, but this one is not active, available when no project are open. So now another thing you can do here, if you want to manage the media cache, is to come down here and say do not delete it automatically. If you click on this, after 90 days automatically it deletes itself. Now if you click the second one, automatically delete older cache file when cache exceed 47 gigabytes. So either you remove all of them after 90 days, or once it is exceeding this, you remove them. So whatever it is that is best for you, you go ahead and do that. This will help you optimize whatever you're doing. If you're done, you just click on OK. So this helps you to, normally the cache enables you to have faster performance, and then it also enables to handle complex footages. So with that, if you know that they will also be freezing your system and you need to clear more space, so you quickly just do this and all of that. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.